Nymphopolis on Baby Pill's channel. I've never heard of that, but I'm guessing it's something edgy because Laputia recommended it. Probably edgy and gay for that matter. Yeah, I'm thinking that's where this is going.
We're only watching $2 of it though.
Oh, she'll probably submit the other $2 afterwards.
Why?
She tends to do that.
Okay.
Trans man and trans woman in the Garden of Eden. That's what I'm getting out of this.
I don't think the woman's trans.
It looked like she had a dick.
She's a bush.
Well, maybe I'm just wrong then, and I'm seeing what I want to see. Get it on. Let's go. Fucking in the ocean. Or the lake.
Very Avatar.
Yeah, definitely very Avatar with the everything else in nature gets horny around them. Sex scene. Okay, they're on like a giant flower thing. And then the Fire Nation attacked. I like how it describes itself as a bit at SFW.
Lady Gaga songs. We're not trying to get demonetized.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we will, so it doesn't matter at this point. It's more about me not wanting the video to be entirely taken down. I mean, if we play Lady Gaga songs, there's a good chance it's going to be fully blocked until I remove those songs from the video. So I don't actually know if we could. I love those songs. I mean,
anyway?
Yeah, I've heard those songs literally 7,000 times. I actually saw her play them all live. I mean, we could watch live versions, I guess. Even those are probably copyrighted. But we could probably find like a live footage that we could watch.
Sims ass talking.
Quoi?
Oh, it's French. Oops.
This got boring when they started talking. See if there's a. It says it has English subs. Click the closed caption thing. Should probably. Well. Yeah, who cares what they were talking about? They were saying some French shit. Whatever. How is this only a bit in SFW? How is this even allowed on YouTube, actually? I mean, I'm happy about it, but I am... I guess there's just like a level of artistic abstraction where it's not considered sexual anymore. I don't know. So she fell past all of cyberpunk and down into more cyberpunk.
Not all of it. Oh, it's Has Been Hotel. Oh.
What in the world? Nymphopolis. Okay. Is this like a trailer for something? Oh, it is. It is literally a trailer for something. Okay.